Morning everyone, the 1st of June. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful month.
Friday 10th of June, Friday the 17th of June. Friday the 24th of June. What's going on this week? The steels have arrived for the pole barn, which is good news. It's exciting to see that start to go up.
Big weekend coming up, long weekend coming up. Platinum Jubilee for not just the Queen, but also Alitex. Hello, Martha. This is what day is it? Wednesday, and they put a floor in up here on the mezzanine. I just want to walk you through what our plans are. We've got some lovely windows over there, as you can see. We're going to put another window in there, another window in there, and you're going to walk through here, and there's going to be an office here. Gary and Glenn are going to decide whether they're going to this end or that end. But there's going to be a window there, and we're probably going to have enough room for 8 people in here. It's going to be a groovy office. In here, it's going to be a communal area. So it's going to be like a kitchen-y bit of space. But we're probably going to have some tables and a couple of sofas. So it's going to be a common room feel. Ignore that. And then into another office. This office has got huge and of our raw material, and you'll have another place for maybe 8 to 12 people. So hopefully it's a good use of space, nice high ceilings. Hopefully apparently there is aircon going in here, so anybody wants to, this will be very busy I guess in the summer and less so in the winter. Okay, that's what we're doing. Hi there, so I'm Tom. I'm long-time director here at Alitex. Now I'm here to talk about Le Loop, which is the charitable ride for William Waite Memorial Trust, and I think it's a very worthy charity, started by the Waite family as a result of their son being killed in South America. It's still the only charity to do the genuine Tour de France route 7 days ahead of the Tour de France. Nowadays they do it every year. I've done it every year since 2012, notwithstanding a couple of years when the pandemic caused it to be cancelled. Essentially it's anywhere between 40 and about 80 riders do every leg of the tour, and I suspect that in total we've probably had not far short of 45-50 people from Alitex actually partake in some legs of the Tour de France. They follow the route exactly. That's about 3,500 kilometres that some people do. You can dip in and out, and that's what I've always done, dipped in for 2 or 3 legs and then come back. It's run by a group of just really fun, well organised but spirited people who make it fun for everyone. It's a proper challenge for those amateurs of us. I'm delighted that Alitex has got involved again. This is the 4th time I think we'll have taken a peloton, and it probably means that over the last few years we must have raised not far short of £80,000 for William Waite Memorial Trust, which is absolutely fantastic. And I'm delighted that we're going out again this summer with another group of intrepid cyclists to do a couple of legs in northern France. It's a great thing for us to do, and I'm thankful for everyone's help. It should be good this year.